Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Khushbu Ankit Gandhi and I make videos related to makeup, skincare, hair care and everything related. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't up until now and do not forget to press the notification bell. I have been waiting for Nykaa to launch its mascara since ages and finally my calls have been answered and they have come up with their mascara range. So they have actually come up with three variants. One is the voluminizing, then there's a curling one, and then there is a lengthening mascara, right? And in today's video I will be reviewing two of them. So this is their Curl Power mascara and this is the Like It Long, which is a lengthening mascara. I just received this order today. You can see that even the outer packing, it's not removed. These are like two sealed mascaras that I have, and in this video I will be unpacking them, sharing my first impressions, the review, and basically just give you my unfiltered brutal opinion about these two mascaras. So yes, what are we waiting for? Without any further ado, let's get started. So let's talk about the packaging first. So this is how these mascaras are made to look, and all the three mascaras have exactly similar designing. The only difference you will find is in the color of the caps and the basics written over here. Otherwise all the three mascaras are designed exactly similar. The quality of plastic that is used is pretty good. I mean, when you pick it up, it doesn't feel like that, oh, it's a very lousy mascara. No, it feels that, okay, I'm holding a good quality product. So that way the packaging is done decently. But if somebody asks me that, oh, are you really impressed with the whole packaging of these mascaras? My answer would be not really. I mean, when I looked at these, somehow the packaging was not very exciting. I thought that, okay, it's very basic, there's no creativity or anything in it. It's too matte, and I don't know, maybe I have some kind of inclination towards a little glossy packings. Like, I really love how these L'Oreal mascaras look like. I mean, I know they are far more expensive than this, but I have some, I like these kind of metallic and glossy packing. So like, I would say the packaging is too simple for me, but nevertheless the quality of plastic used is good. Now let's talk about the designing of the mascara brushes, mascara wands. Now it is said that the secret of the success of mascara lies in its wand, and therefore I'm very excited to see how these are designed. So talking about this one, the Like It Long mascara, let's see how the brush is designed. So it's like a straight up brush, and the bristles are closely packed together, and the designing of this mascara brush is very much like a cactus. Most of the voluminizing and the lengthening mascaras have this kind of wand, because the idea is to hold your lashes really tightly and apply the product so that it can work its magic. So the designing is standard as expected. Now then comes my pink beauty, the Curl Power, and the brush designing of this mascara wand is like this, right? So it is a curling mascara and the wand is slightly curled. Now I'll have to say that I'm pretty surprised to see the wand, because I have used a lot of curling mascaras and the wand is normally like this. Let me just show it to you. So this is the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara, and if you notice closely, so it is slightly like this. In fact, almost every curling mascara in the market has a wand like this, right? But the wand that is provided with the Nykaa curling mascara is curved in a different way. It's like this, right? Now I'm pretty sure they must be having a very solid logic to design it in this particular way. So, but yeah, that remains to be seen. When we'll try the product, then only I'll be able to tell you that whether this designing is of any use or if it's better than the one that it's already there in the market. Now we can talk about all the other aspects of this mascara only after we have tried it. So these are the two mascaras, and the Like It Long, the green one, I'll be trying on my left eye, and the Curl Power I'll be trying on my right eye. So let's begin with this one first, because I'm most excited to try the curling mascara. I really want to see how this wand works. One thing that I've noticed is that when you take out the wand, there is no overdosage of products. Like, I hate mascaras in which when you take it out, then there is so much product that you really just have to wipe it all the time so that baki ka product hat jaye. So this is, I think, for me, it's a good thing. So this is the mascara that I am trying on my right eye.
The wand of this mascara is really interesting, and now that I've started applying it, I have begin to understand the concept. It's shaped in a way so that it can collect all the lashes together, and the finer bristles, they separate the lashes, but it is designed in a way that all the lashes are picked up together and curled. So like when you'll use it, you'll understand the whole logic behind designing the brush like this. It pushes it in a way that it curls properly. Now I'll coat my lower lashes, and I took some time to get my way around this brush, and I'll be applying like two coats of this mascara, and I think two coats can show you a pretty decent picture of how this mascara is going to work.
Now I would say these are two coats of mascara and I am pretty happy with the way it has curled it, and I can tell you that this brush had a very important role in curling the mascara, curling the lashes. It is designed in a way that you pick all the lashes together and it kind of just collected it and curled it. So I do feel my lashes have curled quite a lot. I did not use any curler whatsoever, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with the way it is looking right now, and these are two coats of mascara. Now I'm trying the Like It Long mascara on my left eye. So this is how the wand looks like. It's like a cactus. So I'm just putting the mascara right from the roots and wiggling it.
Also, while applying it, I'm really liking the fact how each lash is getting its due product. I mean, the brush is designed in a way that the product is evenly distributed.
Can you see the difference that it has created? This is the second coat.
So here is the final result of the Like It Long mascara after the second coat, and this is also curled my lashes. Obviously not as that much, but yeah, I'm really liking the effect, the lengthening effect of this mascara, as you can see on my eyes.
Now, a few things that I really like about this mascara is that number one, it is not given me those spidery lashes. I mean, I hate it when I apply the mascara and it gets clumped up and it looks like spider legs. So there's no clumping. Secondly, I really like the fact that it is not making my eyelashes feel heavy. Like, if especially with the lengthening mascaras, the problem is that they are effective, but the weight of the product on the lashes is way too much, and you end up feeling very heavy on the eyes. But with this one, up until now, I am not feeling anything like that. I really like the concept of the curling mascara. The wand is shaped in a way that it collects all your lashes, it separates them, the bristle separates them, and then it takes it like this. So there's like a whole, I told you there has to be a very strong logic why it is designed it in a way, and now I understand why. So the curling mascara is also good. It is not feeling very heavy on my eyes, and up until now, I would say that the mascara has fared pretty well. Now let's do the waterproofing test. So this is it. The bottle is of a mist, but iske andar it's only water. Let's spray it. I've sprayed water quite generously because I want to really see how waterproof it is. So actually nothing has come off, like absolutely nothing. Okay. So it's not visible on camera, but if you see it closely, then very tiny bit of it has come off. मतलब इग्नोरेबल, नॉन नोटिसेबल आई वुड से, मतलब इसमें थोड़ा सा भी नहीं निकल कर आया था बाहर, बट इसमें स्लाइटली बिट हैज कम ऑफ. फॉर द वाटर प्रूफिंग क्लेम आई वुड से दैट yes, it has completely proven the point that these mascaras are waterproof. Now I'll also test how long lasting this mascara is. The company claims that it is a long lasting mascara, but they have really not come up with any number that okay, it will last up to 7 hours or 8 hours or whatever. So what I'm going to do is that I am going to put this mascara through a time test. I'll be wearing this mascara for as long as I can in this day, and I will keep you updated on how this mascara has fared. So right now the time is 2:12 and I wore this mascara at 1:30. Okay, so from 1:30 I will see कि ये जो पूरा दिन I'll be wearing this mascara, and let's see how this performs, and then we'll figure out whether it's a long lasting mascara or not.
So the time right now is 5:20, and on a closer analysis you can see that the position of the mascara is very much similar, very intact. I shot another YouTube video after that, and the mascara is pretty much the same. So it is 6:30 right now, and I have been wearing this mascara for like over 6 hours now, and on a closer inspection you can see that the mascara is more or less the same. I am not feeling any kind of pressure on my eyes, although I do feel that some of the mascara has kind of worn off, but more or less the overall look of the mascara is very similar to what I applied in the beginning.
Now pricing has to be the USP of this product. They are so decently priced. Like the pink mascara, the curling mascara is only for 350 rupees, and the lengthening one and the volumizing one, that is the green and the yellow one, they are priced at 400 rupees. I don't know why there's difference of 50 rupees. I mean, I found this equally good, but yeah, so this is how the pricing is done, and I would say the pricing is on point. For my final review, I would say that considering the price of this mascara, it has performed really well. Like I cannot say that okay, the curling mascara is as good as the roller lash by Benefit, or the lengthening mascara is as good as they are real, or even the upper end drugstore like L'Oreal Volume Million Lashes. No, they are definitely better, but at the same time they are far more expensive than this one. So considering the price range in which it is coming, the mascaras have performed really well. And if you are looking for a pocket friendly everyday wear mascara, then you can like blindly invest into these two. You are not going to regret it. So yeah, I mean, these are really good value for money, and as I said, do invest in these. They are not expensive, and you are definitely going to get the worth out of it. So yeah, this was all from my side today for this particular review video, and I really hope that you all guys found this video useful. Do write your feedback in the comment section below. I love reading them and replying to them, and of course I'll see you again with a new video. Until then, bye bye, take care, and lots of love.